Yo, what's going on? Welcome everybody to Muzain here with 2DD2 Productions. If you guys are watching this video, you are looking at an awesome product made by FurryTail. This is the automatic cat litter box. Now, if you're looking for an overall satisfaction for both you and your furry companion, this guy right here has a weight detection. So once the cat actually steps in there and actually uses the litter box, this is designed to identify which cat is set up to go into the litter box. So if you have multiple cats, it has a weight sensor built into it. In addition to the weight sensor, it has a proximity sensor. Proximity sensor is designed to catch any movement within 23 inches up to the litter box. So if it is flattening the litter or emptying itself out, it will automatically stop just to keep your furry companion safe. In addition to that, it also has a litter bag on the side for easy access, and it also has an odor control, which is going to keep those odors down. Best of all, it has 4 rollers down on the bottom of it, including a nightlight, so as this thing turns and moves, it is a low sound volume for very minimal, if at all, any disturbance whatsoever. So I'm gonna bring you guys in for a closer look to actually take a good exam as to what this thing looks like, and why I recommend it. Stay tuned. As we take a closer look to the FurryTail automatic litter box, we've got a nice screen display with a low profile entrance at 5 inches. In addition to that, the collection bag has an easy access for opening and closing. In addition to that, it's also odor controlled, and it has an ambient nightlight that's fully controllable and customizable through the app. Best of all, the power cord also is chew resistant and is protected right from behind. Once the cat has fully exited the litter box will be able to identify the amount of weight in addition to what it recorded with the litter that was in the pan. That's when it starts to begin to roll and separate the litter from the items that were left behind, whether it's the droppings or urine. But either way, the litter box itself is going to automatically roll and separate, so that way that the pieces start to fall in the side of the bin and drop into the collection opening, where it rolls back and puts all of the remainder droppings into the collection container in the bag. So that way it minimizes the amount of odor control and keeps everything nice, fresh, and clean for your furry companion. Now, once it starts to roll back, it's going to automatically start releasing the loose litter back onto the bottom of the tray, and it's going to start to do what I refer to as a litter leveler. It's going to rotate, rock back and forth to get the litter nice and level, so that way your fur baby enjoys themselves and knows that it's fresh and ready for them next time they enter. The proximity sensors on the FurryTail automatic litter box has an automatic stop when anytime it's either leveling or dumping your litter to allow safe entry for your fur baby. The compact base gives the litter box extra stability, while the lowered entrance makes it fully easy for a senior cat, disabled cat, and short leg breeds to get in and out comfortably with ease and out without any issue. In addition to that, the proximity sensors allows for additional safety for between up to 23 inches in millimeters of giving that full support to make sure that your furry companion stays comfortable for the whole duration of their litter box usage. All right, so again, if you're looking for an awesome product, the FurryTail cat litter box, the automatic litter box, I tell you what, this thing hands down is a great way to monitor your cat's behaviors, especially if you have a multi-cat family. In addition to that, it is app controlled, connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. Once you actually go into the application, you can go in and physically view the activity as far as for the litter box itself. In addition to that, it'll also let you know when the litter bag is full. That way you can kind of keep an eye on that odor control. So if I click on the individual cat, it'll show all of the activity individually for each time the cats enter into the litter box. And if you have it set up for their weight, you can identify every cat each time they enter and exit and tell you the intervals. So it's a great way also to monitor and track and maintain your cat's health, because the moment that they step in, The weight sensors that are built into this identifies when the cat is in there, and once they exit and the weight changes, it'll also identify what they left behind. And best of all, it's an automatic litter box, so it's a maintenance-free, hands-free, with just the minimal setup of putting the litter in there, taking the bag out. Simple as that. So if you're looking for an awesome product, check out the FurryTail, because I highly recommend. You guys are going to love it. Thank you guys for watching.